Hi there and welcome to Danish Takeaway. In this video I'm going to talk about strong verbs in Danish, also known as group 3 verbs. The group that I'm going to talk about in this particular video has a vowel change A, O, A. A in the present, O in the past, and A again in the perfect. A, O, A. The first verb, la eller lader, lod, ladet. Lader, lod, ladet. Tager, tog, taget. Tager, tog, taget. Opdrager, opdrog, opdraget. Opdrager, opdrog, opdrager, opdraget. Some other verbs in this group: jager, forlader, tillader, fordrager. Thanks for listening and watching. Bye for now.